the YouTube English Lounge, where we will make fun English speaking videos for you guys. So let's go. So today we will teach you how to make a simple French toast. So let's get started. So first you will need a pan, a bowl, a plate, eggs, butter, and bread. And then you're ready to start. First, take your egg and crack it into the bowl. Then add some salt. And with a fork or chopsticks, whisk the egg. Then take your bread and dip it into the egg from both sides until it is completely covered in egg. Then put your butter into the pan and spread it. When that is done, put your egg-covered bread into the pan. And now we wait. You can check on your French toast from time to time to see if it's done. And when it is done, flip it over. And now we wait for a little bit longer. It's almost done. Alright, so when your French toast is done from both sides, take it out of the pan. And you're done. Now you can either eat it as it is, or add syrup, honey, whipped cream, fruits, chocolate, or anything you want really.